Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rolling ruler is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for artists, designers, and engineers alike, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use in drawing straight lines, measuring lengths, and creating intricate designs. Its unique rolling mechanism allows for smooth, continuous lines without the need for frequent repositioning, making it a must-have for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency in their creative or technical work. This video will explore the best rolling rulers available, helping you choose the perfect one to suit your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Mr. Pen 6 Architect Scale Ruler. This handy tool is perfect for any architect or designer. Its compact size makes it ideal for on-the-go use. It fits easily in your pocket, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. You'll always have accurate measurements at your fingertips. This ruler features a variety of imperial scales on both sides for versatility. It's ready for any project you throw at it. Made from high-impact aluminum, it's built to withstand daily use. The laser-cut markings are incredibly durable and won't fade or scratch. It's the perfect tool for creating precise architectural drawings and technical illustrations. Use it for floor plans, blueprints, and more. This pack contains 2 rulers, so you'll always have a backup. Never be caught without one when you need it most. What we like. It's compact and built to last. The markings are precise and won't wear off. If you need a ruler that's always with you and provides accurate measurements for architectural drawings, this is the one for you. What people say. They have different scales on them, and they're easy to read. Fits in my pencil case, great straight edge and scale. These mini architectural scales are perfect to keep in bags when you don't want or can't carry around a full-size 12 scale but need a scale with all the typical architectural scale options. Number 4. Frienda Rolling Ruler. This innovative ruler makes measuring and drawing easier than ever. Its versatile design is perfect for architects, artists, and designers. It's great for drawing arcs, curves, parallel lines, and even circles and ellipses. You can use it at home or in the office. The built-in roller ensures smooth, stable drawing. The clear scale and centimeter holes make it easy to measure and create precise designs. Its lightweight and transparent design makes it easy to use and carry around. The handy formulas printed on the ruler help with quick calculations. Made from durable, transparent plastic, it's built to last. You'll always be able to see your work clearly. This package includes 2 rulers, one for home and one for the office. You'll always have one handy when you need it. What we like. This is a versatile tool with a built-in roller for smooth lines and helpful formulas. It's perfect for artists, designers, or anyone who needs a precise and efficient drawing tool. If you need a ruler that can do more than just measure, this is the one for you. What people say. I am a retired drafting instructor and used tools like these decades ago. This has all the quality and characteristics of those units, so have met my expectations. Great to use with grid paper and as a hard-line sketch tool. Also great to add a line or 2 to complete a drawing. These are fantastic for everything from neat lines to angle and curve creation. Works excellent for my needs. I had one back in the 80s. I lost it and could never find one until now. Love it. Number 3. Frienda Rolling Ruler. This innovative ruler makes measuring and drawing easier than ever. Its unique design helps you create precise lines and shapes with ease. It's not just a ruler, it's a protractor, a curve maker, and a parallel line guide all in one. You can draw circles, ellipses, and perfectly straight lines. Each centimeter has a hole for drawing circles and ellipses. The built-in roller ensures smooth, stable drawing, preventing skewing. The clear scale and smooth roller make it easy to see your measurements and draw precise lines. It's perfect for artists, designers, and students. Whether you're creating art, drafting designs, or working on a project, it's the ideal tool. Its lightweight and transparent design makes it easy to use. Looking for a practical and creative gift? This ruler is perfect for friends, family, or anyone who loves to draw and design. It's sure to inspire creativity. What we like. It's a versatile tool with a smooth roller and easy-to-read scale. It's great for various drawing tasks. If you value a clear, smooth rolling design for precise drawings, this is the one for you. Number 2. MyLifeUNIT Multi-Purpose Ruler. This innovative ruler is designed to make your drawing and measuring tasks easier and more efficient. It's a versatile tool perfect for students, artists, and designers. It features clear markings in both inches and centimeters, ensuring accuracy in all your projects. The built-in roller ensures smooth and stable movement. A mini protractor is conveniently located at the center for quick angle measurements. The centimeter markings include circle holes for easy circle and ellipse drawing. This ruler makes drawing parallel lines a breeze. Its design prevents skewing and ensures consistent results every time. Helpful formulas are printed right on the ruler, providing quick access to the information you need. No more searching for formulas during your work. It's perfect for various applications, from drafting and design to general measuring. Its size is ideal for a wide range of drawing projects. Experience the difference with this high-quality, multifunctional ruler. It's the perfect addition to your art and design supplies. What we like. It's a multi-purpose tool with a built-in protractor and is ideal for creating parallel lines. It's a great all-around tool for various drawing needs. If you need a ruler that helps you create precise parallel lines and other geometric shapes, this is the one for you. Number 1. Rolling Ruler Set. It's made of lightweight, transparent plastic, so you can easily see your work and carry it anywhere. This versatile tool helps you draw arcs, curves, and parallel lines with ease. It's perfect for various drawing needs. Whether you're a student, artist, or designer, it's a great aid for your projects. It helps develop manual skills and sparks creativity. It makes a practical and thoughtful gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves to draw or design. It's sure to be appreciated. The set includes one 12-inch and one 6-inch ruler. Keep one at home and one at school or the office for convenience. What we like. You get 2 sizes in one pack, and it's lightweight and transparent for easy use. It's perfect for students and those who need a convenient drawing tool. If you need a versatile and convenient ruler for both home and school, this is the one for you. What people say. They roll easily yet can be firmly held in place while drawing or cutting next to them. The marks are accurate and easy to read. They are easy to use to determine equal distance between lines. Now my lines are evenly spaced. Precise and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.